Wait a second, I don't understand. Can you talk despacio? Hi everyone, the word of the day is despacio. Despacio. And yes, it is related to Despacito, you know, that popular song. Despacio means slowly. In some situations, it could mean quietly, gently, or softly. Despacio works with feminine and masculine nouns, and there isn't a plural form. Now, let's see a few examples. No entiendo. Habla despacio. No entiendo. Habla despacio. Apúrate. Caminas muy despacio. Apúrate. Caminas muy despacio. Shh. No grites. Habla despacio. Shh. No grites. Habla despacio. Mueve el mueble despacio, con cuidado. Mueve el mueble despacio, con cuidado. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!